How's it going, guys? We're back here again with another video here at Jesus of Dallas. Today we're going to be showcasing you guys the 5 most badass trucks they have here. So we're going to start off here today with the Ford F-250. They call it the Transformer. How they fix it up to its best potential. They installed a turbo on it. They put JTX rims on it, new wheels, new interior, everything fully modified. And yeah, this is probably one of the sickest one they have here. This one as well, fully modified. So you guys know we don't play here about trucks, man. You know, also installed with JTX rims, fully modified interior, starlights. It has turbo in it, cow hood. This truck is actually the one that they're going to be giving away. So you guys make sure not to miss out on that, because this truck alongside with the ATV are going to be given away. Next up on our list, as you guys seen on the last video, this GMC Sierra, which is my personal favorite. I love it due to the blacked out headlights. This is fully modified with the turbo coming out the hood. So if you guys ever hear it rolling around, you're gonna hear this, the turbo and stuff. This truck is specifically made for burnouts. As you can tell by the tires, they're kind of worn down. It still has a little life to give, but yeah, this was in October Madness. I believe they brought it to Bandas y Trocas también to do burnouts. But yeah, this is my personal favorite due to the wrap and everything. Everything about it just kind of gives off like this or that. You know, it's like a rolling advertisement. Also a nice one. It was dropped. Also with the cow hood, fully modified. This one as well, you can catch it doing burnouts in Bandas y Trocas and all the car shows, you guys. So yeah, right now we're gonna go speak to the mechanics who actually worked on all 4 of these trucks, and they're gonna go ahead and tell you more about it and tell you how long it took them, what they did to it. They know more than I do, so let's go into this.
What's up, it's Frank with Diesel of Dallas. So we're talking about the 2026 Shorty. Pretty much is a long bed, single cab, rear wheel, single rear wheel. We shortened the frame. I think it was about 18 inches to make the short bed, you know, the regular 6'6" bed fit on here. Full custom paint job. Chendo could get into the details with that. But the interior was done here. Big screen, everything works as it should. Like I said, we took a long wheelbase frame, shortened it 18 inches, put the short bed on it. It's got a reverse level, did a bunch of chrome underneath. Everything's color matched. But yeah, pretty much we did the frame here. Everything was done in-house. The paint job, everything here at Diesel of Dallas. But check the truck out and enjoy it.
Hey, I'm Chendo. I'm the painter from Diesel of Dallas. This is our latest project we just finished for Bandas y Trocas. It took us at least 2 months to get it done from start to finish. This truck was at least on the frame the first time I saw it, and parts just started showing up after that. Color matched all the plastics, all the chrome. Did some lighting. It was a struggle. We all went through it on this one. The color on this one is a Ford factory color. It's argon blue. It came out in 2024. It's a base coat clear coat. It's one of my favorite colors. Metallic blue, especially, with a lot of pearl in it. It's got 2 sessions of clear coat on it. It took us about 48 hours to buff it. I'm pretty proud of this one. This is another one that we built for Bandas y Trocas. This is the truck that hauled this one to the show, and this is also the truck that they are giving away for the next raffle. The paint department did all the color match, smoothed out all the texture on the plastics, color matched the chromes for gloss black. Another spot did the wrap, so we decided to do the black and white. This one was pretty fun as well.
Alright guys, this is Chiquilin with Diesel of Dallas. We have this single cab dually right here. I went ahead and threw on a 4-inch lift kit, some 28-inch JTX. Before we threw them on there, we went and sent the rims off to get powder coated here in-house. Here we have this 2026 Argon Blue single cab short bed. What I did, I installed some aftermarket radios on with some overlays, some polished overlays. We went ahead and chromed out the springs, threw on some Fox shocks. I also installed some Fox shocks in the back. Threw on a reverse level, did a reverse level kit to bring down the back a little bit. While we were there, we went to go ahead and throw on some 26 JTXs. Look pretty good on there.
Alrededor de alquilarlo me tardaría 40 minutos dándolo y a instalarlo igual es lo mismo. So as you guys can see, guys, he is now screwing everything back in. He's putting in all the pins, all the screws that he needs to lock down that turbo in place with its cover. You see, he has he's trying not to lose all the pins, so he has everything in a pan. Ernesto specializes in like the turbos and stuff. He's really good at what he does. You know, he said 40 minutes. I feel like I couldn't even do it in an hour. But yeah, this is why we hire the best of the best to replace your turbos and everything, because you want the job to be done and right. And right here at Digital Dallas, you'll find all of that. Yeah, I believe this turbo has a total of 7 screws. It needs to be screwed on. Okay, make it 8 now. So you can see he really has to get in there and be really tight where he's working. You know, these things aren't just easy. You gotta get into the tight spaces to get to all the screws. And now he's gonna be connecting all the wiring and stuff to the turbo, which also seems complicated because it's a bunch of tight spaces. But I think once this truck is done, once the turbo is finalized and everything is connected, this thing is gonna sound badass. So we're gonna end it off here with Ernesto. Everybody comment Ernesto in the comments so he knows you guys are watching him and you guys are supporting him. Alright guys, if you guys can see, everybody's right now, they're prepping for the World Cup, but they're also not letting that stop them from working. Ernesto changing out the turbo on that truck, I'm sorry, and so is Ernesto over there changing out the turbo. We couldn't get a good clip of him changing it, but we got a good clip of Ernesto over here changing it. Right here, I'm not sure what he is working on, but as you guys can tell, it's a lot. It's getting under there, sawing everything off, and replacing it, you know? So yeah guys, this is one of many projects that they're doing. You know, everything is taken day by day, but these guys are hired because they are the best of the best and they know exactly what they're doing. So you guys don't be afraid to come check us out here. We're going to be filming all around the shop more. We're going to show you the lifted section in just a sec and walk you through what they do and how they put lift kits into the trucks.
I am checking this ABS. Well, I have an ABS code on this truck. This truck, we rebuilt it to 1-of-1 PMF. 4-link in the front, triangulated in the rear. About a 12-inch, 3-inch, 13-inch lift kit. But the ABS code I'm getting, I have no current to this rear, well, to this front passenger side. I'm just chasing all the wires, seeing where I can find the issue. And that's pretty much it at the moment. But the reason I'm having this issue, I think something got pulled. because this truck is lifted, all the lines have to be extended. So there's plenty places where I could have some corrosion or yank the wires, and that's what I'm looking for. Pretty sound did this, but I'll just show you a little bit of something right here. We have some raggedy type of setup. Fixing it up, making it look nice and neat. We're gonna check it up. Get this truck back on the road.